Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something special. We're unboxing a brand new AC compressor for the Toyota New Yaris, and we'll also open the magnetic clutch to see what's inside. If your car's AC isn't cooling, or the compressor makes noise, this part is often the main cause. Let's take a closer look at what makes this unit different and how the clutch mechanism works. Alright, let's open the box carefully. The compressor is well protected with thick foam. That's a good start. We've got the compressor unit itself, a small oil cap, and an installation note from the manufacturer. Look at this. Clean aluminum body, solid clutch plate, and the pulley turns perfectly smooth. No noise, no roughness at all. This one's definitely OEM grade quality, made for long service life. Now let's take a closer look at the details. This compressor uses a Denso 10S type, which fits perfectly on the new Yaris bracket and hose layout. The connector and ports match exactly with the original system. You can see the clutch coil and the bearing. Both are factory sealed and feel precise. Always check coil resistance before installation. That's one simple way to avoid early clutch failure. Now let's open the magnetic clutch so you can see how it works inside. First, we remove the center bolt carefully. Don't lose the small washer behind it. Then, pull the clutch plate slowly using a puller tool. Inside, you can see the pulley bearing and the coil assembly. Everything looks brand new. No rust, no dirt. This part is what engages the compressor when you turn on the AC switch. If the clutch slips or doesn't engage, that's usually caused by a weak coil or dirty contact surface. We'll clean the contact points a bit before reassembling. This ensures a smooth connection and prevents noise when the clutch engages. Whenever you replace or open a compressor like this, make sure to replace the receiver dryer and flush the system. That's the best way to keep the compressor safe from debris or oil contamination. And that's our full unboxing and clutch inspection of the Toyota New Yaris AC compressor. Strong clutch, smooth pulley, and excellent build quality. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more real workshop content about car AC repair. In the next video, we'll show you the installation and system vacuum process, so stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.